Follow these instructions to make a one-time payment for your car loan. First, go to ffcommunity.com. Click the hamburger button in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Then click the drop-down caret next to the Loans button. Then select the Loan Payment Center link button. This will take you to our Loan Payment Center page. Scroll down to Loans from an Outside Account. Then select the Make Payment button. Since we're just looking to make a one-time payment, scroll down and select that button. Next, you'll need to verify your ID by entering your birth date and the last 6 digits of your social security number. On the next screen, scroll down to find the loan for the car you wish to make a payment for. On mobile, you may need to pan over to the right to find the Pay button. Once you do, select that. Scroll down to find several payment options. The default is to make your monthly payment amount. On the next screen, you'll need to enter and confirm your payment details. The big thing here is to enter the account number and routing number for the account you're making payments from. When you're finished, select Continue. Lastly, you'll need to review your payment information, including the authorization agreement, then select Agree and Submit to send your payment. You'll see at the top of the confirmation screen if your payment was successfully sent. Look for that green Success right there at the top. From here, you can save a receipt of your payment, which will download as a PDF. Then you can select View Loans to jump back to the loan page and view all of your loans. Those are the steps for making a one-time payment for your car loan. Thanks for watching.